A call to stop an election as 13 Investigates uncovers missed state deadlines.
It's playing out just days before voters were set to go to the polls in a small southeastern Colorado town. Investigative reporter Dan Beatty explains how the tiny town of Vilas in Baca County may not have met state requirements. Dan?
The election is next Tuesday, May 3rd, and right now the mayor of Vilas is calling for the state to step in and stop the upcoming election.
Everyone has a right to have a fair election.
Lisa Byrne is the mayor of the city of Vilas, where fewer than 100 people live. Byrne serves as a director for the city's Metropolitan Recreation District, where 8 people are running for 4 seats. The candidates, if elected, would be responsible for overseeing how funds are spent towards recreational services in the Vilas community. She filed a complaint against her fellow district members through the Colorado Secretary of State's office on March 9th. Byrne alleges the district president, Michael Brooks, and Secretary Treasurer Rebecca Schroeder of providing inaccurate or incomplete legal documents to the state.
What I'm finding here is that this election is being run with no protocol whatsoever that follows any statute at all.
According to state law, special districts are meant to have an election resolution approved at some point from November through January. But that didn't officially happen in Vilas until April 11th.
In the meetings that we've had since January 19th, we have had 5 different election resolutions.
13 Investigates spoke with the district's Secretary Treasurer Schroeder and the President Brooks when we visited Vilas for a district meeting. Neither agreed to speak on camera, but they say their election process is legal despite multiple missed deadlines. Flip-flop between mail-in ballot and polling.
And and I've talked to a special district consultant, and it sounds like that happens all the time.
The Secretary of State found there were potential violations of Colorado campaign finance laws. The case remains open. 13 Investigates has learned there is little, if any, oversight for special district elections. The Colorado Department of Local Affairs says they train special districts on the rules, but they don't enforce them. The state says the only remedy is a court challenge after the election, something Vilas mayor tells us she plans to do. Reporting live in the newsroom, Dan Beatty, 13 Investigates.